In today's video, we are making a luxurious boho headband using the same pattern as this beautiful spring cowl. We will take the same 2-row repeat and turn it into a matching headband that keeps those clean, solid edges and gives a polished boutique style set. So let us use a 4 mm crochet hook and start making the headband. I'm going to use the same economic acrylic yarn for the headband. This headband was made using a 5.5 mm hook. Here I am using a 4 mm hook. Let us have a slip stitch on the hook. Then we are making a multiple of 3. Then we need extra 5 chains. On the 4th chain from hook, I am going to make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet all across. So go ahead and make the double crochets all this line, all this row, and we will meet again. Now we finish making all the double crochet. Now chain 1, turn the work, and in the first stitch itself we are going to make a double crochet. Then in the next stitch also we are going to make a double crochet. This double crochet will create that straight edge. Now we are going to make chain 2. Now we are going to skip the next 2 double crochet stitches, and on the third one we are going to make another double crochet. Then again chain 2, then skip 2 and make another double crochet. Again chain 2, then skip the next 2 and we make another double crochet. Now we can see that there is only one more left, that is the last turning chain before making that double crochet in the row 1. So we make a double crochet on that turning chain 3. So we got the straight edges. Now this is the end of the row 1 of the pattern. Now I am going to start making a chain and going to start the row 2 of the pattern. This is I am going to make a half double crochet into the first stitch because this chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. Then in the next one also we make a half double crochet. Then we are skipping this chain 2 space and going on top of that double crochet, and we are going to make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then we skip the next chain 2 space and make another 3 half double crochet. Then skip this chain 2 and make another 3 half double crochet. Then 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Then we are going to chain 1 and repeat the pattern row 1. So make a double crochet in the first stitch and 1 double crochet in the second stitch. Then we are making chain 2. Now we have to be careful. We have to skip the 2 stitches, skip the 2 stitches, make a double crochet, then chain 2 again and skip the 2 stitches and make a double crochet. Chain 2, skip the 2 stitches and make a double crochet, then make another double crochet in the last stitch. Just like this cowl. So go ahead and make it about 2 inches less than the circumference of your head. If you have any doubt in how to do the stitches, then I will show you the row to repeat one more time. One, two, and three. And the last stitch we make another double crochet, half double crochet. As you can see, this is an easy pattern and it will work up quite fast. Once it is enough length, I just sew both ends together. This part will go behind the head, so this is not visible. Turn side out. The edges are neat and straight.